No showings until open house on Sunday, July 25, 11 to 3 p.m. This home is just gorgeous and has a nice open floor plan. Located in Torino area. New roof in 2018, fenced-in oversized corner lot in desirable Torino area, huge kitchen with granite, subway tile backsplash, Frigidaire stainless steel appliances. Large walk-in pantry, large laundry room, no carpet, plantation shutters in main living areas, upgraded ceiling fans, large master bath with his in-amp, her walk-in closets, double sinks, soaking tub and separate shower. Large shed in the backyard, 12x24, perfect for doing crafts etc. Large open patio in backyard. Plenty of room for a pool. Offered unfurnished but some furniture is negotiable. Pianos are not for sale.